12 albums celebrating the best music made in Wales have made the shortlist for the Welsh Music Prize Awards. Cardiff music guru Gareth Potter tells us why we should open our ears this year.
The Welsh Music Awards are important because Welsh music is a really great thing to celebrate at the moment. It would be stupid to say there's been a renaissance, because it's been growing and growing, since the 80s, especially, like a proper strong homegrown scene. It's eclectic, it's very eclectic. There's electronica there, there's anthemic rock there, there's really progressive folk there, and soul music, and it's kind of really reflecting a confident Wales, I think. I mean, it has got a lot to do with the deep roots of Welsh music. People are used to the work of Gruff Rhys and Super Furiano, or certainly on the kind of indie scene, and they're used to hearing stuff that is not necessarily in English as well. New bands like Boy Azooga, who went last year, the Welsh Music Award, they're there. They're playing massive festivals. They're touring constantly. Welsh music isn't and has never been a genre, a style. It's just there's a whole bunch of music from Wales. Now, a lot of the musicians know each other, and a lot of the musicians play in each other's bands. However, it's not a genre, and I think that's a really good thing.